Good morning, everyone. Our report is about the other sensor. First, I want to introduce what is instrumentation. Instrumentation is the branch of science which deals with control and measurement of physical properties of matter like solid, liquid, and gas. And I want to discuss about the rotameter. The rotameter is operation based on variable area principle. Fluid raise a fluid in tapered tube increasing the area passage of the fluid. The greater of the flow, the higher float is raised. The height of the float is directly proportional to flow rate, which is liquids. The flow raised by combination of the buoyancy of the liquid of velocity of the fluid with gases as a buoyancy negligible and the float response velocity head alone. And I want to discuss this the electrical instrument. It depends of mechanical movements as indicating device by the action inductance. They have some inertia, hence low response but more than mechanical instrument. The instrument requires a semiconductor device only movements of the electrons that give fans response. Then temperature measurement. Resistance of the temperature director. Resistant temperature detector is the RTD manufacturer welding platinum wire, ceramic plus core sealing, and element within ceramic or glass capsule. The resistant lead were often composite with the 3 of 4 wire bridge configuration. The temperature range is negative 200 to 650 Celsius. Next, the turbine flow meter. The turbine wheel is set of the path of fluid stream. The flowing fluid mix force of the turbine blades imparting force of the blade surface setting the rotor motion of sensor magnetic peak of a sense of speed of rotation turbine determine the flow rate and speed proportional to fluid velocity. Then is proximity sensor. Manisa ikuan sa proximity sensor capacitive. The capacitive directly proportional surface area of the object is the electrical constant of the material between them. Inversely proportional distance of between capacitive proximity sensor produce electrostatic field. The capacitive proximity switches will sense metal as well non-metallic materials such as a paper, glass, liquids, and cloth. The sensing surface of capacitive sensor is formed by two concentrically shaped metal electrodes of unwound. The capacitor. When object is in a sensing surface, enter electrostatic field in electrodes and changes the capacitance of the electrical circuit. A result of the oscillator begins oscillating the triggered circuit oscillator reaches speed level and output of the sensor changes. As the target moves away from the sensor of the oscillator amplitudes decrease. Then ultrasonics level sensor. The ultra level sensors consist of two main parts with transmitter and receiver. The assembly is planned is the tank which level to measure the transmitter direct sounds, waves, and matter of those waves gets reflected back from other surface receiver. Receive the waves counts of the time delay between transmission and back received from the data some standard data like speed. Ultrasonic sound under air finds the distance of level matter of sensor. The ultrasonic sounds created by the piezoelectric crystal inside the sensor. The converged electric ultrasonic sound introduces continuous measurement type of measurement is non-contracting continuous measurement sensor. Then the optical level sensor is a light beam source of the photodetector response the interruption of the attenuation of the light beam within the liquid breaks been from the source of detector reflection mode. The optical frames mounted inside the tank change the reflectance of the light when it's immersed in the liquid. The construction of the transducer is arranged so that the light source photodetector for sensing the change in the light's intensity are mounted of the outside wall, the tank. The light beam was the true reflected from the face of the frame. The type change